Hey guys, what's going on? I'm inside the office slash screen printing room, right? Something big just happened. Something big just happened. So, what is it? I was able to modify my screen printing machine. Now, I still does screen printing. It doesn't do anything else but screen printing. But the difference is I can do unlimited screens. It's crazy. So, I did a live where I was working on the screen printing machine and I spent all this time trying to, you know, do all these things, but all I had to do is just go to Home Depot, get some parts, put it together, and bam. Let me show you how this looks like. Bam, there it is right here. There it is right here. So this is the other side of the studio, the office area. So over here, this is basically I modified the screen. So now you have clamps. Just put this here. So this is the original Rynet clamp, right? What happened was I went to Rynet, I ordered the clamp, and I got it. Normally it's for this right here, that one right there. So that's the pigtail screen printing machine, right? This is one of the components that go with it. I noticed what that one could do, so then I took it and I added to my well, two so far. One, two. And I was gonna order another one. Rynet said, "Nah, we can't let you do that. We thought you were gonna use this for that. That's why we gave you extras, right?" So I should have ordered four of these instead of two. Had I ordered four, I would have been able to mount it in one, two, three, four, and be all set. But that's okay. By learning how to use this, I was able to come up with that, right? So as you can see, this right here comes out. Bam. Right? That's how it looks like. Now, I know it's a little janky. Over time, I'm gonna send uh I'm gonna get what do you call it? A laser plasma cutter so I can get metal like that and cut it into like, hold on one second. So I can cut it to make it like this, right? And that way I can like jig it so it can fit on there correctly. And then bam. You know what I mean? Bam, there you go. And that's it. That's this one right here. Nice, ready to go. And that's pretty much it. So if you want to know the importance of this, why do I call it unlimited screen is this. Now you can remove this. So I do HTV vinyl, screen printing HTV vinyl, right? So hold on one second. So I do screen print HTV vinyl, which is what this is right here, right? This is a shirt I did for somebody recently. So since I do screen printing HTV vinyl, this setup is perfect, right? This setup is perfect. So all I need to do is basically remove the screen, right? Just like I have this one right here. That's HTV vinyl, right? Remove the screen. When I'm done, heat press it, put it right back on the screen. Now, the good news is I can do four ready, and I can do another four put aside. So I can do a four color, a five color, six, eight, 100, 200, whatever I want, all with this system right here. And like, this is genius. So my plan is to get another one, right? My plan is to get more of these right here. So now I can have unlimited screens. I just need like literally two more, just two more, and I'm good to go. Cause there's no way I'm gonna do eight colors, and eight color artwork. There's no way, right? Most likely I'll do a five, maybe a six color, seven the most, eight probably, but I'm not gonna try to push it. I'm not gonna try to push it. Um, because I would mean removing all of them, putting new ones. Although that's the purpose of it. At the end of the day, I'm like, I don't feel like it. But now I can turn this 4-color into 5-color. That was the main purpose. It's funny. That was the main purpose. I only needed to remove one to just swap out. But then I realized by having this um holding the screen, I can screen print 5 and have it ready to go when I'm done. Just mount it back on, clamp it. Like, hold on one second. I hate when that happens. Okay. There it is. Good to go. So you put your screen, remove it, heat press it, put it back, do the next one, keep going, and then you can have some on the side. So you can do unlimited colors with this. Like when I made this, that was the preference of like what I wanted to do. Like that was the whole reason why I made like this right here. So this, in case you didn't know, this is the blue screen. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4-color, 4-station blue screen. That's now 4-color, 5-color, whatever color, unlimited. I can do unlimited colors with this. Unlimited. And I'm excited. Hold up. Yeah, so I am excited. I'm excited. Like, look at this baby. Look at this baby. Bam. Unlimited screens. Right? So, you know what? Let me do this so you guys can see. Bam. Remove it. Right? Remove that. And then watch this. And also it's interchangeable. I can take this one right here. Right? This one right here. Right? Hold on. Give me a second. All right, cool. So remove the screen. Guess what? I can take it. Say I heat press this, bam, on the heat press machine. Now I'm done. I can bring it over here. Sorry for the, spinning, but it is what it is. Okay, cool. Now I can take it, bring it right here. And all I need to do is just align it. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so it is what it is. All right, all I need to do is just align it. Bam, there it is. It's aligned. It's sitting there snug. All I need to do now is just go to the side. Right? So, okay, this is perfect. Okay, cool. Hold on. I'm going to switch it so you can see it. So normally it would sit on there, right? Bam. There you go. Once it's sitting there comfortably, give me a second. I gotta use my other hand. Hold on. I'm going to have to pause this video. Okay. I brought this one up so I can stabilize it. But normally you put this up, use this to clamp that, and bam, there you go. Now I have 2, and I can do that all over. Now, if the reason why I wanted to do this is because of positioning. If you ever, hold on. All right, cool. So the reason why I wanted to do this, right? So again, in case you didn't see it, that is off, right? Once you place it, you clamp it, and that's it, right? And that's it. So in case you're wondering, like, hey, what's the deal? Why'd you need to do this, right? Look, sometimes I have to screen print, and when I'm screen printing, if I have a 5-color job, I have to go to the printers. And if it's a lot and the printers are messing up, then I get halted with the work. So I said to myself, you know what? Let me make this a unlimited screen print frame setup, so now I can do unlimited screens. Now the fact that I'm able to do unlimited screens is good because now, hold on one second. Now I can give you guys more screen printing videos on like how to screen print. I can do unlimited colors. I can swap out this one, and it's easy. Basically, once you get your frame lined up and positioned where you need it to be positioned, right? Okay, cool. All right, cool. So once your frame is positioned in the right area, and you have your vinyl, if you're doing vinyl, or even if you're doing screen printing with just regular regular process, right? This is not just for vinyl. You line up your image, you set it up. When you're done, you remove it, right? You move it, and then you go put it to we call it expose. You expose it. Once you expose it, you put it right back, and it's gonna be in the same location, because all this is just allow it to just go back on same location. You can do that with all four of them, all five of them, all six of them. Unlimited colors, Like, it's crazy. Like, just the fact you're able to do unlimited colors is just amazing. It's amazing, right? It's amazing. Hold on, give me a quick second. Quick second. Yeah, so unlimited colors is what you'll be able to do with the screen printing machine over there. So, how did I convert it? All I did was I remove. So you already saw the print head. I removed the. I mean, yeah, technically. Quick second. You know what? Let me take you there with me. So you can see. All right. So if you're trying to do this on your blue screen, right? First thing you need to do is it comes with these, right? These are normally here on there. That part I just added. Anyway, this is how the blue screen normally looks like. It has this, and it's holding the frame, right? What I did was I removed that component. Right? I removed that component. I added the right screen printing setup on it, and now, hold on 1 second. It clamps on. Good to go. And I can do unlimited screens now. Unlimited screens. So I did that for all four of them. And that's able to help me put as many screens as I want. And I'm good to go. So next we're going to be doing some more screen printing. We're going to be talking about different type of screen printing. And stay tuned for more. Like, subscribe. I appreciate you. That was me showing you the conversion of the screen printing machine. Now I can do unlimited colors. So I gotta pick up a name for this. Four four station unlimited color screen printing machine. I think that's what the tire is gonna be. It is what it is, right? So yeah, so that's what I did. I'm pretty amazed. I like the fact that now I can do unlimited colors. I'm not limited to 4 colors. I can do 5, 6, whatever amount I want, right? Let's go. So next is test it out, do some prints, and then get you guys, going. But I barely do multicolors. I usually just use the I use the printers. If it's gonna be more than 5, I use the printers. I do have a color separator, so in the future we are gonna do stuff like that. But stay tuned, like, subscribe, Levi Apparel. Appreciate you.